Why did you cut a hole in the floor?
Because I do whatever I want to.
What kind of car is this? We have a lot of friends with Volkswagens, don't we?
Mm.
Yeah.
They're the best kind of friends.
What are we gonna do first?
Well, first we're gonna cut the cancer out, I guess. So there's a little bit more rust up into this area, which is fine because we can cut this up higher and just patch up here. You forgot to get the tar board off this side. Tar board.
Tar board. I'm gonna wire wheel some of this to see how deep that rust is. Woo!
There's some cancer.
See, these are just pits. That's not a hole. That's just a pit.
There's holes.
But there's a hole there. And some holes here. So
we're thinking we're just gonna replace it all the way up to the back of the seat frame, maybe. I think that might be all we have. We've got an inch here, smaller over here, 10 inches from this edge here. And then I'll cut it at 5/8 of an inch all the way across here. And then at 10, then I'll just step it, and then we'll pull that up this way so it'll fit there. Cut it all at once, then it may not fit. It might be too small.
Kinda fits.
It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. So I need to pry that up so it'll drop in there a little more. Probably trim this around this edge. Fits on this side. Ish. Oh, getting close.
What's it hitting on?
It's just this part.
Hitting over here.
Needs to be folded up, yeah.
Yeah, probably do like a relief cut down here to the middle. Right, maybe on that hard edge.
All the way like here?
Yeah.
All the way up here?
Yeah. And if we don't need all that, we'll just trim it.
In closer. And trim it here. Trim this a little more here. Close.
Factory replacement. Oh yeah. Can you see that? Look at that. It fits really nice. But there we go.
What if I'm not ready?
How's that fit?
It's pretty nice.
Haha! These wonderfully fitting floor pans have such the awesome gap, and they fit wonderfully. So,
they're like brand new.
We gotta cut all the way back to where it dips in here in a stratum line. So we're gonna cut that off, and then we're gonna punch a bunch of holes.
And then we're gonna weld it.
Then we're gonna hopefully weld it in, right?
Yeah, hopefully. Or maybe we can just leave it like this. It'll be fine. It'll be fine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You good with that, Mike?
Mike?
Yeah, well, the guy with this car.
Oh.
The guy who owns the car.
He's like, I'm not Mike.
But I guess he can't respond.
And he won't see this until after the car's done. So, whatever. Why?
What are you drawing?
I'm drawing
Yeah.
where I'm going to cut the...
Ooh, pretty picture. What happened there?
Huh?
What happened there?
The square wasn't long enough, so I went off the end.
Yeah, your face isn't long enough. Hey, a horse walks into a bar. The bartender says, "Why the f you just walk into the bar?"
You're a horse.
You ever heard that one?
Get out of here, horse! So, looks like we can cut back on the pan about, what, like half an inch? Then we can punch holes here, plug weld everything. Rust.
No, no more rust.
Doing? What are you doing?
Punching holes to weld through.
Hole punch.
So, sheet metal hole punch. I'm just gonna eyeball like what, every 2 inches?
Ta-da!
There that is. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm shrinking the edge so we can mate up the new pan, have more of a flush feel on the top. See this?
Hold on, it's not focused. There we go.
These are little baby self-tappers.
Self-tappers.
They go in.
Well, they don't really self-tap because you have to like make them do it.
Yeah. You put them through the hole that you punched, and it allows for a tighter fitment. One in the middle, and then we got 2 more for these edges.
For the corners, like one here, I think, and probably one over there. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Well, probably weld a couple here, pull one of these screws and put it back there.
Put it back here.
Yeah.
While we massage the business out of this.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, so I'm actually quite surprised on how this generic pan half fit. There's some issues here, like the radius is still a little loose. I don't care for it, but we have hammers and dollies for that.
Yeah, we'll cut it.
And it is banging around. It's really not that big a deal. I only spent, what, 10 minutes banging this around, trimming it. How long was it, like 10 minutes?
Something like that.
So it's not that big of a deal. Most of the work was cutting out the old one, working around this roll cage that usually isn't here. So, I don't know, I'm satisfied. I'm pretty okay with this. Could be better as far as the fitment, but
yeah,
let's finish it out.
This side too?
Yeah.
Might as well. Hi.
How many times did you hit your head today?
72 million and a half.
And a half.
So on this bit, we decided to spot tack it because we didn't want to run a bead and blow the metal out. All right, so we're done with one side. Now we're gonna do the other side. I don't think we need to show you that. So we'll finish it up and show you what it looked like when it's done. What are you doing? Why are you picking that up?
I'm cleaning up, man. This place is a mess.
Well, there's the pieces we cut out. And there's the finished product. Both sides. Aw, yeah.
Go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. You can also check out our website. It's garagejunkie.apparel.com. We have all our shirts available for purchase. We'll see you next week.